only 711 homes for sale. Today, it's almost double that amount on offer. It's Friday, July 8th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. This time last year, homes were going under contract in about 30 days. Homes currently on the market have been on the market for 43 median days. Prices are still moving upwards, though the buyer activity has slowed down, resulting in fewer offers on those currently listed for sale. There are 1,275 for sale on the Maryland shore at a median price of $394,995, reflecting a rise from the median price of $317,750, a 24% increase in price year over year. 90 properties are coming soon, up one from last report. 170 came to market since last week's report, a 48% increase over last week. 97 properties are temporarily off, slightly down. 87 properties went under contract, a drop from prior weeks. 101 properties went to pending, fewer than past weeks. 200 properties at 100% list to sold ratio sold. The highest sale this past week was a distressed sale in Centerville for $5 million. Rental inventory fell this week to 42 for lease at $1,875 per month. These have been listed for 23 days thus far. Remember that if you had bought a home last year, you came out ahead in many ways. Waiting until later only works if you are truly one of the few that should not buy now or ever. If I can answer any of your buying or selling questions, give me a call. We've got lots of programs to help. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for July 8th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well. Cheers.